Cooking oil is essential in every kitchen. It is used in frying, baking, and even salad dressings. But not all cooking oils are the same. Some oils are better for your health than others. Artificial cooking oils are widely used, but they are not the healthiest option. In this video, we will discuss why you should avoid artificial cooking oils and switch to mustard oil instead. Artificial cooking oils are processed oils. They are made by chemical processes that strip away natural nutrients. These oils are often high in trans fats. Trans fats are harmful to your health. They increase bad cholesterol and lower good cholesterol. This increases the risk of heart disease. Artificial oils also contain additives and preservatives. These chemicals are not good for your health. Mustard oil is a natural oil. It is made from pressing mustard seeds. Mustard oil is rich in monounsaturated fats. These are good fats that help lower bad cholesterol. Mustard oil also contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These are essential fats that your body needs. Using mustard oil in your cooking has many benefits. It is good for your heart. The good fats in mustard oil help keep your heart healthy. They reduce bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. This helps prevent heart disease. Mustard oil is also good for digestion. It stimulates the digestive system and helps in the secretion of digestive juices. This improves digestion and helps prevent constipation. Mustard oil is also good for your skin. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. This helps prevent infections. Mustard oil is also rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is good for your skin. It helps keep your skin healthy and glowing. You can use mustard oil for cooking and also as a massage oil. Artificial cooking oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids. Too much omega-6 can cause inflammation. Inflammation is linked to many health problems. These include heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Mustard oil has a balanced ratio of omega-3 and omega-6. This helps reduce inflammation and promotes good health. Cooking with mustard oil is easy. It has a high smoke point. This means it can be used for frying and other high-heat cooking methods. Mustard oil adds a unique flavor to your dishes. It has a strong, pungent taste that enhances the flavor of your food. When buying mustard oil, look for cold-pressed or raw mustard oil. These are the purest forms of mustard oil. They retain most of the natural nutrients. Avoid refined mustard oil. The refining process removes many of the beneficial nutrients. Using mustard oil is also environmentally friendly. Mustard plants are easy to grow. They require less water and pesticides compared to other oil-producing plants. This makes mustard oil a sustainable choice. Switching to mustard oil can have a positive impact on your health. It is a natural, nutrient-rich oil that offers many health benefits. It is good for your heart, digestion, and skin. It helps reduce inflammation and promotes overall health. Artificial cooking oils are not worth the risk. They are processed, contain harmful trans fats, and lack natural nutrients. They are linked to many health problems. Making the switch to mustard oil is a simple change that can make a big difference. Incorporating mustard oil into your diet is easy. Use it in place of artificial oils in your cooking. Try it in your frying, baking, and salad dressings. You will notice the difference in taste and health. Remember, your health is in your hands. Making small changes in your diet can have a big impact. Switching to mustard oil is one of those small changes. It is a simple, natural way to improve your health. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more health tips and information. Stay healthy and take care. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more health tips.